Alright, I got my chain brackets welded, and one of my business friends has these custom made, so you can get a little bit more length out of it when you need to compensate for a gate that has a deeper face. So like if you're doing a board on board, or you're having like a big picket or something, that'll give you enough clearance for the gate operator to clear that, the cover to clear that. It looks like there's a lot of room right now, but when you put the cover on there, and then you have a long gate like this one's over 30 feet, the gate will bend a little bit, so you got to be able to compensate for that. So I got my anchors in, I got my my angle brackets welded, and I got my anchors nailed or hammered down, and I just got to tighten those up, and then I'm going to finish welding the frame to the pedestal here, and then I'll brush everything and clean it, and we're going to be running temporary power to test it, and install my photo eye, run the antenna and wire and all that stuff back down through there, blow that hole out again, and then run my antenna up to here, and then program my remotes, and then test everything. So that's overview of everything. All right, let's get her done. I have no idea why I just said that. Safe Car Controls, Dallas.